Welcome to Mac Volkswagen TV. At Mac Volkswagen, we like to have fun. This is Joe Hergert with Mac Volkswagen. In this video, you're going to learn hidden knowledge on the new 2022 Atlas Cross Sport. Hidden fact number 1, laser welding. The Atlas Cross Sport uses laser welding. That means that up here where you would normally have a black strip to cover up the spot welds, you just have this elegant, precision, nice, clean, smooth line where the laser weld is. Laser welding makes the car stronger, so the overall structure of the vehicle is more rigid, helping with handling and safety, improving the ride and cornering. Hidden fact number 2, IQ LED headlights. The IQ headlight is LED. It gives you a crisp precision beam that helps you see much better at night and doesn't blind the oncoming drivers. Hidden fact number 3, digital dashboard. The next feature I want to show you is the digital dashboard. The digital dashboard shows us which door is open, so you don't have to walk around the vehicle opening and closing every door to see which one is open. It'll show you if the trunk is open, and it'll even show you if the hood is open. Here on the steering wheel, you've got your view button. Push that, changes thou to an analog speedometer with your shift indicator very visible in the front. Push the view button again. Now we have a tach. Gives us a nice eco tip not to rev the engine while we are stationary. But I want to show you how the tach works. Another view it has for us. So here we have the speedometer in the middle, gas mileage, not giving us an accurate gas mileage because we've been idling here while we're making this video. This view shows us that the infotainment system is switched off. So if we turn it on, it'll tell you what song is playing and what station it's on. Here it shows us satellite radio is playing. If we change that, you can see we get another view there. Press the view again, we're back to the analog speedometer. Hidden fact number 4. It's a 2-for-1. Tow capacity and power liftgate. The Atlas Cross Sport gives us a 5,000-pound towing capacity. The adjustable power liftgate is easy to use. To open it, you see right here is your backup camera, and next to that, underneath the L, is a touchpad. Push that. The liftgate opens. Right here is the close button. Push that, it closes. If you want to set the position at which it opens to, push the open button, allow it to open, push the close button, and it'll stop. You can actually just go ahead and grab it and position it where you want it. If you do it gently, it won't think you're trying to shut it. If you do, it'll actually think you're trying to shut it. But let's say you want it right there. Maybe you have a kayak on top, or you're parked in a garage that has a short roof. Or if you've just hurt your arm and you can't reach up there, you can make it so that it doesn't open as far. To do that, get it to the position you want it, push and hold this button. You're going to hear a beep and the lights are going to flash. There's almost too much sun out here for this. Let's see if we can do it over here. Now it's set to this position. So you can close it. And next time you open it, it'll only open to that position. To reset it to the fullest position, you're gonna go ahead and push it on up the rest of the way. Don't worry, you won't hurt it. Go ahead and push it and hold it until the lights flash and you hear that noise. Now, when you open it, it will open all the way. You can also use your key fob, hold this down for 2 seconds. You can see the lights flash and it closes. Or you can open it with your key fob. Lights flash, it opens. Another way you can open it, this button right here. Hidden knowledge number 5, another twofer. The hidden power outlet and the Volkswagen Cargo Protection system. Another cool feature is this 12-volt outlet. And then there's these plastic pieces make into triangles. You can clip them together just like that. They snap in there. They're actually really sturdy. And then you position your cargo. These are some carpeted pieces also, help out. But you can put these when you snap. Snap these together. They're going to keep your cargo from sliding around in your trunk. I like how Volkswagen thought about how you might be having an exciting drive, but they put the practicality to hold your things in position. Look at that. Stuff is safe in position. Thanks for watching another Mac Volkswagen video. Come see us at 1920 Northeast, Highway 99 West, McMinnville, Oregon. Or give us a call at 877-721-5794. Mac Volkswagen, in the heart of wine country.